Exactly what I've been waiting for.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Alright, please be something good, please. Are you what am I looking at?
What's up, bitch?
Ooh. On my rock then, not gonna lie. Ooh, I have this for the R4 already. Take that. Our first legendary. Ooh. Yo, this is kind of nice. Yee. I'm so wow. Okay. Dang, what is up with all these rook stuff, dude? Holy. Another legendary. What the hell is this? There's a bandage on it. Two of them. I don't even use charms. Why? Not a common again. Black eyes, please. What am I looking at? What is this? Dude, I don't want any charms. That was pretty nice.
Stop the cap.
Another epic. Oil spill. Ooh. I actually wanted this camo for calves. I'll take it. I don't even use buck. Irish Rover. How many rares am I? I don't want rares. Dude, all my weapons have been saying EUF. What? Not.
Holy Jesus.
Not. Oh my. Not even gonna use that. No. What is this? What is this? Jeez, I'd rather use the default one. What? Oh. Bro, this looks just like the default one. What is this? Fine, black eyes, bro. Dude, oh my god. I actually got black. Dude, the last time I got black eyes was for Ash's R4. I got her a black eyes in like year 1. It's been so long since I unlocked another black eyes, dude. My second black eye since year 1. Where is it? Wait, was it not for this pistol? Am I tripping? Oh, it's for this one. Ooh, I was about to say. Dude, finally, dude. Back to opening these. Oh, 7 more already? Jeez. Legendary, please something good. Okay, I've seen this a lot, but it's pretty dope. I'll take it. Ooh, yo, I actually like this. It's kind of sick, yeah. Another, please, please. Oh my god, what is this? What? Dude. I guess it's alright. I don't see using this. Dude, another legendary? No? Okay. A buck gun, I never use them. Another black ice. Black ice. Nope. Could have sworn I had something similar like this for Batman. It's the last one. Alright, well, that's gonna be all for the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a good day.